Welcome back, community. I'm Jamie, and today we're going to talk about how to set up Open SSH on your Pinebook Pro. I was asked this question in my last video about the firmware, about how I used Open SSH to do the install. So we're going to run through the commands to installing Open SSH server, checking to make sure that's running, and then a configuration change you need to make to your Wi-Fi connection. So let's get started. Open a terminal and type sudo apt install Open SSH server. I already have it installed, but if you don't, it should install it. Now that we have it installed, you want to make sure that it's running, so you can use systemctl status SSHD, and you will notice right here it says active running, which is good. It's what we want. So now we can exit out of our terminal. The next thing we need to do is open up our connection, network connections here, and go to our Wi-Fi connection. Click on edit. And the change you want to make is you want to allow all users to connect to this network. And you also want it to be automatically connect this network when it's available. If you don't do that, then you'll have to log in before you can use your Wi-Fi connection, which means you'll have to log in to SSH into the server or into the Pinebook Pro, which means that your keyboard's not working. This is not going to work. So check on the box. All users can connect to this network. Click save. Click close. And now we can restart our system here. This shouldn't take too long to restart. And so don't log in when this comes back up to test to make sure that this is working. Especially test this all out before you go to do your firmware update. Because if you don't, and you don't have an external keyboard that you can plug in, you're kind of stuck. So don't make that mistake. Pinebook has booted back up. Don't log into it. We should be good to rock and roll. Let's go over to our terminal on our host machine or the machine we want to SSH into our Pinebook Pro with. And we're going to type the commands SSH, your username, at the name of your machine. You can get that by opening the terminal or looking in your system information. This is not the default name out of the box. I changed it. We're going to type in our password here. And you can see we've logged in. To further validate that, we'll run neofetch, which I've already installed. And there you go. You can see that we're on this. Now, some people are going to ask, how is my network or home networks going to be able to find the machine by its name? I've not done any custom configuration of my Google Wi-Fi. I've had Netgear routers. Most of the time, name resolution just works. So there shouldn't be anything special that you need to do. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, share it around. I'm going to post this on Twitter, LinkedIn. You can find me on those. You can find me at phillipsj.net. Post comments here. If you got an idea for a video or something you'd like to see on the Pinebook Pro, just let me know. Thanks for watching.